اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. السلام علیکم. کلاس 9 اور 10 کے بچوں سے، طالب علموں سے میں مخاطب ہوں. آج کا سبق اس ویڈیو میں وائس ٹاپک ہے. وائس اینڈ ایوری تھنگ I will teach you about the voice, how to change the active voice into passive voice and passive to active. اس کا پہلے والا ویڈیو میں نے آپ کو وائس کا بتایا. مزید آپ کو اسٹارٹ کرنے کے پہلے 1 منٹ میری بات دھیان سے سنیے، اس میں کیا کیا چیزیں ہوتی ہیں. ابھی جو ویڈیو میں بتا رہا ہوں اس لیسن میں وائس سمپل پاسٹ ٹینس کے سینٹینسز، سمپل پاسٹ ٹینس کے سینٹینسز میں affirmative sentences, negative sentences, interrogative sentences. I will use the very simple and easy sentence that you can understand easily. Right? In past, simple past tense, was and were helping word is used. Was and were helping word. Helping word, was and were is used. Clear? Active voice, I wrote a letter. I subject, wrote, word, letter, a letter is object. There will be interchange of subject and object. In active voice, subject is written in the beginning of the sentence. I. Then word, then after, at the end, letter. It is object. Now, अब आपको सब्जेक्ट को ऑब्जेक्ट की जगह और ऑब्जेक्ट के सब्जेक्ट की जगह तब्दील करना है. इट इज इंटरचेंज ऑफ सब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. राइट? आई रोट ए लेटर. नाउ ए लेटर, आई रोट ए लेटर इज इन एक्टिव वॉइस. पैसिव वॉइस, ए लेटर was written by me. She sang a song. A song was sung by her. We played football. Active voice. We played football. Football was played by us. They played active voice. They played cricket. Cricket was played by them. She played cricket. Cricket was passive voice. Cricket was played by her. She drove a car. She drove a car. A car beginning में start में लिखिए. A car was driven by her. Notice the change of pronoun. She drove a car. Active voice, passive voice के the car, a car was driven by her. We drove a car. A car was driven by us. They drove a car. A car was driven by them. A car was driven by them. My mother cooked rice. Active voice. My mother cooked rice. Rice was cooked by my mother. Fatma sang songs. Fatma sang songs. Songs were. The songs were sung by Fatima. Songs were sung by Fatima. Fatima sang a song. A song was sung by Fatima. यह आवाज का इस्तेमाल किया इसलिए कि a song था और ऊपर पहले वाले जुमले में were sung, were songs, sung. Fatima sang songs. Songs were sung by Fatima. Clear? He played cricket. Active voice. Did he play cricket? Sorry. He played cricket. He played cricket. Affirmative sentences. Cricket was played by him. He did not. Negative sentence. He did not play cricket. Cricket was not played by him. Interrogative sentence or active voice. Did he play cricket? Did he play cricket? Was cricket played by him? It is negative sentences. Fatima did not sing a song. Negative active voice. Fatima did not sing a song. A song was not sung by Fatima. A song was not sung by Fatima. Interrogative अगर लिखना चाहते हैं, did Fatima sang a song? Active voice है. Did Fatima sang a song? तो आप was a song sung by Fatima. ये आज का सबक है और मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपको मेरी बात समझ में आई होगी, और अगर बात आपको समझ में नहीं आती है तो आप दोबारा देखें, और सबसे पहली चीज़ है आप अपना इंटरेस्ट राइज करें. इंटरेस्ट इज़ वेरी नेसेसरी टू अचीव समथिंग एंड टू लर्न द वॉइस एंड narration. You must have to study tenses. Okay? अल्लाह ताला से दुआ है, अल्लाह ताला आप सबको इनकी दौलत से माल करे और एक अच्छी शहरी बने, कौम की खिदमत करें, अच्छे शहरी बने, अच्छे नौकरी करें, अच्छे पोस्ट पर काम करें, अच्छी तनख्वाह उठाएं और बाप माँ की खिदमत करें. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच. आमीन सुम्मा आमीन. अल्लाह आपको कामयाब करे. गुड बाय.